Hello, my friends, and welcome. You already stretched thin between the kids, the work, and life. And the last thing that you want is to trade one stressful job for another, right? So let's talk. Is digital marketing actually less stressful or just another thing on your plate? Well, you're definitely in the right place at the right time if you're looking into digital marketing. Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I am originally from Malawi and I'm studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin. I help busy moms learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire their boss and get to spend more quality time with the family. So let's just define stressful through the lens of a busy mom, right? So moms are not afraid of work. They're actually afraid of burning out, chaos, and not having enough time to spend with the family. So the key isn't less stress. It's actually about having flexible stress. So you are in control of your pace, right? So if you're not reporting to the boss, chasing quarters, commuting, that can help you manage that stress. So the truth is, digital marketing can be as stressful, as crazy, or as calm and relaxing as you make it to be. And yeah, some you could get into digital marketing as a freelancer, and it could be under pressure. But if you went into business for yourself, you could actually work around your schedule, right? You can choose when to build your business. So when during those nap times, during school time, you could be building your business. And moms, and the other thing about building a digital business is that turning the time that you're spending on social media, consuming content, turning that time into actually building your business, right? So yeah, what actually reduces stress over time is being able to schedule, to know exactly what you need to do on a daily basis. So you're not having to use brain power trying to figure it out, right? And earning the skills that could actually earn you high income skills, and automating your business, having an automated marketing system that's out there working for you 24/7. And the most important thing is to surround yourself with like-minded people, right? People who have gone, who are going where you're going, who want to achieve the results that you want. But even better, people who've achieved the results that you want, and better yet, people who've achieved the results that you want and more, and are willing to coach you on a weekly basis to show you exactly what they did and how they do it, right? So if you can follow a proven step-by-step blueprint with a thriving community and access to live interactive coaching and mentorship, then you're on the right track. Which brings me to this video, because last year I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. And what I love about this program is, even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, we get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure mentors. So what I want to do is I want to share my screen and share with you the bonus site of this live interactive coaching and mentorship. This is our community here. We have over 54,000 paid members in our community. And where are they? They're everywhere, in every continent, in Africa, Europe, Asia, South America, North America, Australia, just everywhere. We spread across the globe, right? And this is our July calendar, where we have monthly interactive coaching and mentorship. We have a technical call happening even on a Sunday. We have a mentoring call with Tim, who's a six-figure mentor. And we have another one here, mindset training, on Thursday next week. So every single week we can jump into this and get the support that you need. By the way, in our community as well, you can see there's 98 people on. I'm here in Dublin. As the day goes on, more and more people are on. But if I had any questions here, I can actually ask a question, categorize it as a question, right? And or whatever category I want, and one of those would answer my question, right? So getting that support is huge. Now, here is where we get access to additional tools and resources to help us build our business. The 90-day freedom sprint is where our multi-millionaire mentor takes us by the hand, walks us step by step through giving us the skills to build a successful digital business. So you can see here, I have what day is this? What day is this? Yeah, I have day 20, right? On this calendar open, right? Because I went back. I'm working on creating a content calendar which I can give to my people, so that when you join me, you don't have to figure out what to say, what videos to create. I can actually give them to you and say, here, this is just put your personality, your energy into it, but don't figure out here. Just follow this, right? So you can see here we have a PDF with an Excel sheet. So I went back just so I could watch this video again, and most importantly, get access to these tools here. But essentially, we are on day 63, which is actually yesterday. And she's talking about how to add more value to get more emails, right? So it's a 9-minute video. It's usually 5 minutes on average, max of 10, minimum 2 minutes. And our multi-millionaire takes us by the hand every day, sends us a video. Sometimes she has spreadsheets, cheat sheets, but this is to help us stay focused on building our business on a daily basis, right? Imagine having a multi-millionaire mentor and six-figure earners do the selling and the telling for you. That's what this free webinar is all about. We have that on a weekly basis, and we have tools and resources to promote that. We have mindset training by six-figure hypnotherapists, help us get rid of that stinking thinking. We have social media training, we have mentoring replays. Some members earn 6 figures in 6 months. They show us how they did that. And we have a content vault where we can download that content, upload it onto our social media. We also have this thriving community where I'm going to share you some of the wins that we have. If you're wondering, does this really work? How much money can I earn? So I'm going to focus on financial wins. Danile, 20 hours ago, $100 midnight ding. I didn't post every win. I don't post every win. It's the ones I wasn't expecting, like the midnight ding that comes in while I'm asleep, right? James, 20 hours ago, boom, $100 ding last night while watching a movie, right? So you probably went for dinner after that. Or Tracy, 16 hours ago, $900 brunch bonus. So excited to pick up my phone after slicing onions, right? Paula, $900 days can change your life. That was 13 hours ago. This is real and achievable for anyone willing to learn and do the work, right? Ashley, let me see, dreams come true. This is a creator of this program. She's taking a trip around Turkey, Greece, and Italy at the moment, and she's just sharing that. And I was watching a training. The training was January, right? And she said these exact words in that training. She's like, dreams do come true. And the context this time was she was buying her dream home for cash by a lake, and she was renovating that dream home, right? So I was just like, wow, she actually just said this 4 days ago as well. So yeah, I do believe dreams come true, but you have to get up and take action, right? You got to take action to make those dreams come true. Eddie, my first $100 sale, I started 5 weeks ago. Congratulations. Took a while to learn, and so on. My first sale 14 hours ago. I've been 5 months in, and it's finally happened. Congratulations. Well done, right? So these are the different wins that we have. Now, what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no following, no experience, no technical skills, and you can start to learn from a multi-millionaire mentor and 6-figure mentors and coaches who have used this blueprint to earn 6 and 7-figure figures, right? You have access to the 90-day runs where a multi-millionaire takes you by the hand and walks you step by step to help you stay accountable to building your business. Now, this I'm sharing with you is in our bonus site, but apart from that, you actually get a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that shows you how to build a successful business. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and comment blueprint so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula blueprint. Be sure to check your email, check your spam folder, and respond once you've gone through the blueprint. If you have any questions, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.